Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss 12th class poem The Noble Nature. In this particular poem, this is Noble Nature is a short lyric composed by Ben Jonson, imparting a great meaning and a message to humanity. Noble Nature provides a great message to humanity that we live in deeds, not in years. The poet wants to give us a message that we should live in work, we should believe in achievements, and there is no value of years. The poet contrasts a meaningless and unimpressive long life with a short life full of heroic and virtuous deeds by drawing two symbols from nature. In this poem, the poet has drawn two examples from nature. For long and meaningless life, he compares with oak tree, and short and meaningful life he compares with lily. The poet widely disseminates that the worth of human life is measured not in years but on the basis of achievements and noble acts. He wants to give us a motivational message that we should believe in work and achievement. The person who live a long life but do not do important work in his life is meaningless. The Noble Nature, class 12th lesson 12. It is not growing like a tree. Noble nature is not growing like a tree in bulk, in size, does make man matter be. Human life cannot be considered better if he lives only in years or standing long an oak, and he compares long and meaningless life with the oak. Although the oak tree lives for 300 years and at last it falls, a log at last dry, bald, without leaves and sere, withered. A lily of a day is fairer far in May. And in the second stanza of the poem, he compares meaningful life with a lily. Although lily lives only a day and in the same night it dies. It was the plant and flower of life. For its beauty, for its qualities, the poet calls it a flower of light because it blooms in the daylight and it dies in the night. He wants to give a great message that in small proportions we just beauty see. In short period of life, our life can be meaningful if it is full of achievements, and in short measures life may perfect be. Short life can be perfect if it is full of heroic deeds, full of achievements. The persons who live a short life but do many achievements, people remember them after their death. Thank you and have a nice day.